Hi, it's Angeline here. I'm back with a crafty new video here, and today I'm going to show you how to do some Distress Oxides ink smooshing. So first, I've already colored this beautiful new stamp by Graciellie Design and Unity stamp, which is called the Sweetness Kit. And I'm using this Distress Oxide inks today, and a piece of transparency or any plastic packaging will do. But before I do any ink smooshing, I'm grabbing my purple tape from Thermoweb to mask off the areas that I do not want the inks to reach. You could always stamp out another of the same image and cut out a mask, but if you don't want to do that, you could always grab this piece of tape and just mask off whatever areas that you want to protect. Next, I'm grabbing squeezed lemonade and just smooshing some onto my transparency and just spritzing some water onto it to smoosh it directly onto my card. You don't need watercolor paper for this, I'm just using plain cardstock. Then wipe the colors in between and move on to the next color, which is One Lipstick. And again, do the same thing, and with this technique, you could control the smooshes better rather than spritzing directly onto the card, so you can get the colors exactly where you want them to be. Next, I'm using the color Shaded Lilac, and if you don't want the colors to blend together, you will have to dry in between every color. But if you don't mind the blending, you only dry right at the end. So I decided to add more pink to my card, so I'm grabbing Picked Raspberry and doing the same smooshing technique. Then I'm drying the colors again before removing the tape. Finally, just remove the tape gently and carefully. And what is great about this tape is it does not leave any sticky residue on your card, and it is easy to peel off. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!